The ATS had recently arrested an employee of Hindustan Aeronautics for supplying sensitive information on Su-30 fighter jets as well as information related to Nashik manufacturing unit to the Pakistani spy agency. New reports indicate that Pakistani intelligence agencies are interested to find more information about the Su-30 fighter jets that dodged the 4 AMRAAMs launched from F-16 in the aerial engagement in February 2019. As well as details and functioning of the advanced Israeli avionics and self-protection jamming pod. Pakistan is also desperately trying to gather information about the tail and serial numbers of all Su-30 fighter jets, so that it can piece together a convincing story about the imaginary Su-30 claim. The arrested employee might have provided some technical system information, but it will be difficult for the adversaries to defeat such a system, as it is difficult to demonstrate or mimic such capabilities. The DRDO is working on a plan with short, medium and long-term projects with the domestic private sector to develop a series of directed energy systems with up to 100 kilowatt power. New reports indicate that the air defense laser systems to take on enemy aircraft and helicopters at a range of 10 kilometers will be ready by 2022, and the 25 kilowatt laser systems to target incoming missiles during their terminal phase will be ready before 2025, while the 100 kilowatt power solid-state laser systems mounted on fighter jets and ships to target incoming missiles in their boost phase will be ready by 2025. The Ordnance Factory upgraded 155mm 45 caliber Sharang artillery system was tested today to study the pressure waves inside the chamber portion by using special sensors, and the collected data will now be processed at the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. The Dhanush system will also be fielded for the same study in the first week of November, which will give information about the actual built-up of pressure inside the chamber. The Defense Ministry has moved a plan to take control of more than 200 acres of strategic ground, and it will be used to develop new defense infrastructure close to the border with China. The state's Rural Development Ministry has notified that the Defense Ministry is now the land's appropriate authority. The top two officials of the U.S. government, Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Secretary of Defense Mark Esper, have arrived in New Delhi for the 2+2 ministerial dialogue, which will see the signing of the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement and Maritime Intel Sharing Agreement. The 2+2 meeting will focus mainly on India-US security cooperation, defense information sharing, increasing military-to-military interactions and defense trade. India is procuring second batch of 73,716 rifles from the US, as well as 6 Predator B drones under a fast-track contract, with follow-on orders for at least 18 units in the coming years. The 4-day Army's Commanders Conference has begun from today, during which the top brass of the Indian Army will carry out a comprehensive assessment of India's combat readiness along the line of actual control and line of control, and also discuss a number of long-pending reform measures to cut down on non-military activities, to ensure a rational distribution of resources.
Omar dropped it.